Osteopathy is a form of alternative medicine that focuses on the holistic approach to health, emphasizing the relationship between the body's structure and function. Osteopaths believe that the body has the ability to heal itself and that disturbances in the musculoskeletal system can affect overall health. Osteopathic treatment typically involves a hands-on approach to manipulate and mobilize the musculoskeletal system to alleviate pain, improve mobility, and promote overall health and well-being. Here's an overview of common techniques used by osteopaths. Soft tissue techniques. Osteopaths use various soft tissue techniques, such as massage, myofascial release, and stretching to release tension in muscles and improve flexibility. Joint mobilization. Osteopaths use gentle movements to mobilize stiff or restricted joints, aiming to restore normal range of motion and reduce pain. Articulation. This involves rhythmic, repetitive movements applied to specific joints to improve joint function and reduce stiffness. Muscle energy techniques. METs involve the patient actively contracting certain muscles, while the osteopath applies gentle pressure, helping to release tension and improve muscle function. High velocity, low amplitude, HVLA thrust techniques. This technique involves a quick, controlled movement of a joint beyond its passive range of motion, often resulting in a popping or cracking sound. It aims to restore normal joint function and alleviate pain. Counterstrain technique. This technique involves positioning the body in a way that relaxes and lengthens the affected muscle or tissue, promoting pain relief and improved function. Visceral manipulation. Osteopaths may also perform gentle manual techniques on the internal organs to improve their mobility and function, which can have positive effects on overall health and well-being. Cranial osteopathy. This technique focuses on the subtle movements of the bones of the skull and their relationship to the body's overall health. Osteopaths trained in cranial osteopathy use very gentle touch to manipulate the skull and its sutures, aiming to restore balance and relieve tension in the body. The specific techniques used during osteopathic treatment will vary depending on the individual's condition, symptoms, and preferences. Osteopaths tailor their approach to each patient, taking into account their medical history, physical examination findings, and treatment goals. The overall goal of osteopathic treatment is to support the body's ability to heal itself and restore optimal function and well-being. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to follow and stay informed.